Hi guys, and welcome back to the 12 tags of Christmas. Kicking it kind of old school last week, or yesterday, which was still actually today, actually just a few minutes ago for me. But for you guys, I posted yesterday the no I didn't, the coffee cup tags. And I did it freehand with no tools really, except for basic scissors, pencil eraser, and a cutter. And I'm kind of going to do the same thing again today. This time we're going to make some hollies. It's really kind of fun to craft like this. I am not even kidding. I'm going to, at 3/4 of an inch, I'm going to score a piece of green paper. And then I'm going to put the score line on the 3/4 inch mark, and I'm going to cut. And depending on how big you make this is how big your holly is going to be. And we're going to do something that you've done a long time ago, and you might not have even done it since. I know I haven't. It's been a long time since I've done it. And we are just going to create a holly by folding this in half and cutting it once, kind of like you did when you used to do your hearts. This is going to be the same kind of a deal. So I just need to draw half of a holly on here. Half of a holly leaf. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Just like that. You can make some bigger. You can make some smaller. And we're just going to cut this out. So I'm kind of making almost like M's. You just want it to be half of a holly. And this idea really hit me when I was looking for the green for a coffee cup just a little minute ago with you guys. Well, yesterday. I thought, ooh, because I love to draw hollies. I actually do that a lot on Christmas cards. I will put hollies like in the corner or something for my recipients on the envelope. And that hit me when I was doing that. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to try this. So then this will be trash. You'll have, you know, just 2 pieces like that. But these should be treasures. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Here's a little bitty one for a little bitty present or something. And you could even put 2 together if you wanted to. Heck, you could put 3 together if you wanted to. Do you, whatever you feel like you want to do. And then I also got out some red, and I have my little hole punch so we can make some holly berries. So I guess I should make sure that it's cleaned out, and it's not. So let me clean this out real quick. Well, looks like there's some stuck in there. Let me just punch out. I don't know how many. Several. Now it came out. And I'm going to take my glue and just kind of put some glue on the end. And I think I'm going to do this as 3 different ones. Sometimes I like to have little gift tags too. This actually may be too, these holly berries may be too big for this little one. I usually go with 3, but do what feels right. I usually think that odd numbers look good, and I like the fold in this holly berry because they always have like a little line down them, so that's what that little score line can represent. Oh, I just stuck my finger right in that glue. know why I'm trying to do it this way. I know I'll never get it. Oh, I did. Yay. Crazy. 1, 2. He's kind of misshapen. That's all right. A bird ate some of him. 3. And then, so I have leftover berries that I can make more hollies with. And then I'm going to take this guy. He's a line. I don't know. I think that this might work better than... We'll see. Oh, I guess I do it this way. And I'm just going to put him inside here. And punch out my little line. You could use a smaller circle. You just don't want a very big circle. And I was thinking that the line would be easier than my really small circle to get the thread through a little easier. So, and then, you know, of course, use whatever thread you want. And these are little baby tags. Now you could make them obviously bigger, and let's make a couple bigger here in just a second. But sometimes you just need a little something. And I would just use my regular pen and write on here, "To me, from me." Just like that. Isn't that cute? If I say so myself. Those are really cute if I say so myself. So then now these I'm going to make bigger. So instead of doing a 1/2 inch, I'm going to go 1 1/4 inch, and I'm going to score it. And then on the score line, I'm going to line the score line up with 1 1/4 inch. That way I don't have to do any math. Oops, and cut it. Oh, I think I'm going to cut it. There we go. I didn't do any math. I just knew that I had to have them the same size on both sides. And then, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to freehand it. I think. Hold on, let me think. Zoop. Okay. And then let's do another one. I'm going to make this one even bigger. All right. See there? Isn't that cute? And we'll do the same thing. I used a lot of glue on this one. I don't know why. Because I'm excited. These are truly things that I get excited over. I know that's goofy probably. But we're all goofy, aren't we? I know I'm not alone in that. And then I have these 2 little ones that are extra. I have relatives that say that, extra. So I say it kiddingly, but they say it because that's the way they talk. And I'm not making fun. I think it's, honestly, I think it's cute. They're just from the country. And they're extra. I love my Aunt dearly, and she says that. punch those out. Get my string cut. I think this is the longest ribbon, so I'm going to put that on the biggest holly. Yeah, they were both pretty long, so it didn't really matter. But aren't these cute? Sometimes it's just fun to kick it old school. I'm sounding like a, I don't know, like I know what I'm talking about. But there we go, some hollyberry tags, and I will just, when it's time, I'll just write to me, love me, to Katie, love mama, to Alex, love your favorite mom, to the bestest mom in the whole world, love Katie and Alex, you know, things like that. All right, well, have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Happy crafting.